Mint Magazine Thailand post. Totally beautiful. Revealing the first set of photos of Freen Sarocha, a stunning solo beauty on the cover of Mint Volume 22 with luxury Tiffany and Company jewelry. Gave her best. No regrets. Freen Sarocha, and embracing herself with courage without saying sorry later. Beautiful girl, Freen Sarocha, a famous actress, and is known for her work in the girls' love series such as Pink Theory, Gap the Series, which even though it has ended on air since 2023, the trend and hotness of free girls can be said to be the trend never stops. This time, the girl, Freen, has come to solo on the cover of Mint Volume 22 for the first time, complete with a beautiful and luxurious look with Tiffany and Company jewelry. It can be said that each collection that girls Freen picked it up to mix and match. All of them matched the look she wore for the shoot very well. Of course, I'm here to take photos with Mint. I'd like to share the first set of photos for fans of the girl Freen to see to add to her sweet beauty before adding Mint Volume 22 to the cart tomorrow, May 31st. Time, 10 a.m. And besides the first set of fashion pictures, there are also beautiful pictures and exclusive interviews. Let's serve for everyone to see again. Who is waiting to watch? Prepare to follow along. Come see the beauty moment. And the incredible charm of actress Freen Sarocha conveys her elegant style in collaboration with Tiffany and Company, iconic jewelry pieces with simple, elegant, and contemporary designs from many collections. Through the fashion set of covers in the latest issue of Mint Volume 22, the girl Freen radiates all her charm like this. In which scenes did fans get attacked? The content with the Freen girl isn't finished yet. There is also a set of fashion pictures, exclusive interview, and there are many more exclusive online contents waiting to be served. Press follow to follow Mint's social media and apply to be a member of our website. And this is exclusive. Behind the scenes, Freen shows off an eye-catching luxury look through Tiffany and Company jewelry on the cover of Mint Volume 22. Beauty is not enough. In addition to the glam fashion photo set of the girl Freen Sarocha, who appears on the cover of Mint Volume 22, the newest issue. Ready to add luxury with Tiffany and Company jewelry, Mint would like to take you to look at the beauty further. With a behind-the-scenes video from this fashion shoot of Freen Girl, it can be said that no matter the look, Freen Girl can mix and match accessories to make them all look good, including the Tiffany Lock, Tiffany Hardware, Tiffany Knot, and Tiffany T collections. Which fans are ready? Come zoom in on the beauty of Freen, only on the Mint website.